Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a relaxing clean with me. Every single night before I go to bed, I like to just pick up the house and make sure it's tidied up for the morning so I can get up with a clear head and start my day off right. Right now I am just diffusing some orange and some vanilla in my diffuser. Max has been sick the past couple of days, so you'll notice that there is a pillow on the couch and a ton of blankets. Whenever he's sick, I always just like to make sure that the house is cozy and comfortable for him. That way he can just relax and try to get as much sleep as he can. Since we do have two dogs, I always like to keep up with the scent of the house. Every night I'll just go ahead and Febreze all of the furniture and the carpets just to make sure it smells really nice. This isn't something I do every single day, but about once or twice a week, I'll just go ahead and give everything a nice little wipe down. And of course, my sidekicks have to be with me at all times. Every night I do like to wipe out and disinfect my sink with some Antibac. Just because of all the food and the water that sits in there all day, every day, I just like to sanitize it and make sure that it's good to go for tomorrow. Also just going to go ahead and wipe down my counters with some Antibac. You'll also notice that I left Max's medicine out. I want to get him a sick basket, but for right now I'm just going to leave it out on the counter for easy access. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you did like the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to watch more videos just like this one. And from my house to your house, I hope you all have a great night.